Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Play Store right here on your Android phone. If you are experiencing some app are not download successful on your Play Store, here is a quick solution that you need to try right now. First thing first, open up your Google Play Store. Having opened up your Play Store, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on Help and Feedback. Then here you go. What you need to do right here is to simply chat with them live right here. So for that, click on Can't Download Apps. Then wait for a few seconds and get a step-by-step on how you can fix the particular problem of app is not downloading. If the first thing first you need to know, so right here, I understand you are having trouble downloading app. Let us start with some basic troubleshooting. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and at the same time, make sure your storage is enough. First options right here is that make sure, and the third option right here is that make sure your Android system is up to date. Make sure you regularly update your app. And lastly, close and reopen your Play Store right here. And the fourth option here, close and reopen your Play Store. Restart your device. Once you restart your device, then check date and time settings of your device that is actually correct. Once you do that, relaunch your Google Play Store and the app will be successfully downloaded and installed on your Android devices, provided that the app is available in your region. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android devices and Play Store like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.